Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is Dr. Zahir Nasir. Dear students, today I will explain weekly test 6 in front of you. The question number 1 is, according to cell theory, option A, not all organisms are composed of cell. B, there is no interaction between different cell units. C, cell is de novo structure and could arise from non-cellular material. D, cell can arise only by division of pre-existing cells. And E, cell is not the structural unit of life. So, answer should be the D, cell can arise only by division of pre-existing cell, which we have discussed in cell theory, the postulate number 3 given by the Rudolf Virchow. Question number 2, concerning entry and exit of cell substance across plasma membrane, which statement is correct? A, passive transport requires energy. B, active transport requires energy. C, both passive and active transport do not require energy. D, osmosis is active transport. E, endocytosis is passive transport. So, the correct statement is active transport requires energy. The answer should be B. Question number 3, composition of plant cell wall from outside to inside. Option A, primary cell wall, secondary wall, middle lamina. B, primary, middle and secondary wall. C, primary wall, middle lamina, then primary wall. Then D, middle lamina, primary wall, secondary wall. E, secondary wall, middle lamina, primary wall. So answer should be the D. आपने देखा होगा कि जब सबसे पहले मिडल लैमिला होती है, फिर प्राइमरी वॉल बनती है और फिर सेकेंडरी वॉल. तो याद रखिएगा आपका आंसर है डी. Which does pepsin play in digestion? What does? It kills the bacteria of stomach. It converts milk protein into soluble protein. It converts starch and glycogen into maltose. D, it activates the gastric gland to produce gastric juice. E, it converts protein into short chain polypeptides. So your answer is the E, it converts the protein into short chain polypeptides. Question number 5, which of the following basic structural level of protein is indicated by an association of 2 alpha and 2 beta chains in which one of the following type of proteins? A, primary structure, insulin. B, secondary structure, keratin. C, tertiary structure, lysozyme. D, quaternary structure, hemoglobin. So you know very well the answer should be D. और D जो hemoglobin है इसमें अल्फा और बीटा चेन होती है, 2 अल्फा and 2 बीटा चेन. That's why structure should be quaternary and protein should be hemoglobin. Answer should be D. Then question number 6, concerning endoplasmic reticulum, which one of the following statement is correct? A, rough endoplasmic reticulum not associated with the ribosomes. B, smooth endoplasmic reticulum occurs in protein sensitizing cell. C, rough endoplasmic reticulum found in steroid producing cells. D, smooth endoplasmic reticulum found in glycogen storing cell. And E, smooth endoplasmic reticulum found in the mammary glands. Your answer is D. You know very well smooth endoplasmic reticulum concerning with the storage cells, especially glycogen storing cells, that is the liver cells. Answer should be D. The question number 7, which organelles having their own DNA that directs production of some their components proteins? Okay, so in case of option A endoplasmic reticulum, B ribosome, C lysosome, D mitochondria, E Golgi bodies. You know very well in case of mitochondria having on DNA and RNA for the direction or direct production of proteins. Answer should be D. Question number 8. Mitochondria are inherited to an animal A only by father, B only by mother, C only by grandmother, D by both mother and father, E by mother and grandmother both. Your answer should be the B only by mother via the cytoplasm of ovum. मैंने पीछे आपको बताया था कि जब फर्टिलाइजेशन होती है टेल ऑफ द स्पर्म्स कट ऑफ हो जाएगी, जिसकी वजह से मोस्टली साइटोप्लाज्मिक ऑर्गेनेल टेल ऑफ द स्पर्म्स के अंदर मौजूद होते हैं। हमने पढ़ा था कि इस तरह स्ट्रक्चर होती है स्पर्म की, तो इसका जो मोस्टली साइटोप्लाज्मिक ऑर्गेनेल है वो यहाँ रिसाइड कर रहे होते हैं। तो जब फर्टिलाइजेशन होती है तो उसकी टेल कट ऑफ हो जाएगी, जिसकी वजह से मोस्टली साइटोप्लाज्मिक ऑर्गेनेल एंड मेनली जो होते हैं माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया वो आने वाले जायगोट में कहां से आ रहे होते हैं? मदर साइड से आ रहे होते हैं। ओके, देन द क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 is Golgi apparatus is also known as chromosomes. Option A, B chondriosomes, C dictyosomes, D glycosomes, E peroxisomes. So answer should be the D, C dictyosomes. We have discussed in the previous lectures. In case of plants, the dictyosome is Golgi apparatus or Golgi bodies. Question number 10 concerning Golgi apparatus, which one of the following statement is correct? A, animal cell contain one or more Golgi apparatus. B, morphological animal and plant cell Golgi apparatus are same. C, Golgi apparatus do not contain cisternae. D, Golgi apparatus consists of central flattened plates called cisternae. And option A, a few number of ribosomes are attached to the Golgi apparatus. Morphologically, animal and plant Golgi apparatus are same. So answer should be the B. याद रखना स्ट्रक्चर वाइज सेम होते हैं Golgi apparatus either in case of plant cell, either in case of animal cell. So question number 11 is the correct order of arrangement in terms of increasing complexity of the following: organ 1, 2 cell, 3 tissue, 4 organism and 5 ecosystem. A 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. B option 2, 3, 4, 1 and 5. C option 2, 3, 1, 4, 5. D option 3, 2, 4, 5, 1 and E option 2, 3, 1, 4, 5, 4. So answer should be the C, 2, 3, 1, 4 and 5, which is correctly associated. A RNA thiamine, DNA uracil, RNA replication, mRNA pick up amino acid, RNA ribose sugar. So correct association is RNA के पास ribose sugar होती है. Answer should be E. The question number 13, from the given cell organelles which is only found in animal cell and associated with the modification of material transported by the endoplasmic reticulum and cell secretion, that is the option A lysosome, option B Golgi bodies, option C mitochondria, option D endoplasmic reticulum. So your answer should be the B, that is the Golgi bodies. Okay, आपका आंसर है B. Then question number 14, the TSH disease occurs when the cell are unable to produce an enzyme leading to build-up of certain lipids in the cell, which structure would not function correctly, resulting in the disease. Option A. अब कहता है कि TSH डिजीज में कुछ एंजाइम डेफिशिएंसी हो जाती है जिसकी वजह से कुछ लिपिड्स तैयार नहीं होते सेल में, और ये डिजीज जो है वो किस ऑर्गन से एसोसिएटेड है. तो याद रखना, ए गोल्जी अपरेटस, बी लाइसोसोम, सी माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया और डी है स्मूथ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिक्यूलम. सो दिस डिजीज एसोसिएटेड विद द लाइसोसोम. Answer should be B. Which type of molecule is the end product of translation? Option A. Translation हमने बायोमॉलिक्यूल के चैप्टर में पढ़ा था. A अमीनो एसिड, B mRNA, C पॉलीपेप्टाइड, D tRNA. तो ट्रांसलेशन की जो एंड प्रोडक्ट है that is the polypeptide. The answer should be C. Question number 16. The fluid outside the thylakoid membrane system of chloroplast is called A. stroma, B. grana, C. cytosol, D. lamella. You know very well the fluid outside the stroma, that is the fluid outside the chloroplast of the membranous thylakoid membrane system. The answer should be A, that is called stroma. 17. Which statement about DNA is false? A sugar in the DNA has one less oxygen molecule than that of RNA. B option, DNA is double strand molecule. C option, in the DNA the base uracil replaces thiamine. And D option, DNA is a polymer made up of nucleotide subunit. You know very well the false statement is uracil replaces thiamine in DNA, not. The base uracil replaces thiamine. Thiamine replaces uracil, so answer should be C. Then in case of question number 18, regarding nature of enzyme, which one is correct? A, they are inorganic catalysts. B, large quantities are required to bring a change in the large amount of substrate. C, they are not non-specific in their nature but specific in their function. D, they are specific both nature and action. E, none of these. So answer should be D, enzymes are specified by their nature and action. Question number 19, regarding factor affecting enzyme activity, which of the following statement is correct? A, substrate and enzyme concentration. Substrate and enzyme concentration are inversely proportional to certain maximum velocity. B, pH has no effect on enzyme activity. C, enzyme and substrate concentration are directly proportional to certain maximum velocities. D, rate of reaction decrease with increase in enzyme concentration until enzyme saturated. The rate of reaction increase with decrease in enzyme concentration until enzyme saturated. So correct option is the C. Substrate and enzyme concentration is directly proportional to the rate of reaction up to certain maximum velocities. The question number 20 is a carbohydrates found in the hereditary material DNA is A. Ribosome, B. Deoxyribosome or ribose, A. Ribose, B. Deoxyribose, C. Ribulose, D. All of these. You know very well deoxyribose sugar is the part of DNA nucleotide components. So answer should be B. Then question number 21. Of the following conjugated molecule act as transporter of low density protein and free fatty acids? A. Glycolipids, B. Glycoprotein, C. Nucleoprotein, D. Lipoprotein. We have discussed in the last topic of biomolecule, the lipoprotein is associated with the what? The transport of fatty acid, free fatty acid and low density protein. Answer should be D. Question number 22. All are characteristics of nucleoprotein else. 1. Weakly acid. 2. Water soluble. A nucleosome in chromosome. And 4. Strongly acid. A 1 and 2 only. B 2 and 3 only. C 3 only. D 4 only. So answer should be D. Then question number 23. Fragrance producing and vitamin constituent derived lipids are terpenes, A steroid, B terpenes, C waxes, D phospholipids. Terpenes are fragrance producing lipids. So answer should be B. Question number 24. Magnesium is an inorganic activator for enzyme. A amylase, B carbonic anhydrase, C phosphatase, E esterase, D esterase, E none of the above. So magnesium is the activator for what? We have discussed in the enzyme for phosphatase. Then new cell arise from A pre-existing cell, B parent cell, C by mother cell, D all of these. All of these should be the answer. 26 of the following biomolecule act as gene activator receptor in the living cell. A lipids, B proteins, C carbohydrates, D both A and B. So protein act as gene activator receptor in the living cell. Answer should be B. Then question number 27 is water molecules act as buffer due to all of these properties except A resist the change in pH, B maintain the level of neutrality, 2 then 3 prevent an interference in the metabolism of cell, and 4 sometime may rise pH. Option A 1 only, B 2 only, C 3 only, D 4 only. pH rise nahi karta, so answer should be D. Then 28 question, the organelles of the plant cell cytoplasm capable of converting solar energy into chemical energy and making autotrophic nature to protein. To plants. Number 1, Golgi complex, 2, mitochondria, 3, chloroplast, 4, endoplasmic reticulum. Then आंसर ए, एमसीक्यूज ए हमारे पास ऑप्शन ए में है 2 and 3, बी में है 3 and 4, सी में है 1 and 4, डी में है 3 only. So the 3 only, chloroplast making the plants as autotroph, okay, by converting solar energy into chemical. Then question number 29, in the given diagram of the nucleus, the arrow locating the part, what is the name and functionally act as? The located, the component of nucleus, एरो दिया हुआ है, आप इसको देखेंगे इसका फंक्शन क्या है और इस स्ट्रक्चर को क्या नाम देते हैं. नेम ऑफ द लेबल पार्ट, ए न्यूक्लियोसोम, फंक्शन फॉर्मेशन ऑफ न्यूक्लियोटाइड्स, बी सेंट्रियोल, फंक्शन स्पिंडल फाइबर फॉर्मेशन, सी न्यूक्लियोलस, फंक्शन राइबोसोम सेंसिस, डी न्यूक्लियोटाइड्स, सेंसिस ऑफ अमीनो एसिड. सो आंसर शुड बी न्यूक्लियोलस. तो लेबल स्ट्रक्चर जो है वो न्यूक्लियोलस है, इसका काम राइबोसोम्स की सेंसाइजेशन है, फॉर्मेशन है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 30, फ्रॉम द डायग्राम ऑफ मेम्ब्रेन मॉडल द लिपिड बाइलेयर बी इंडिकेटिंग, बी जो दिया गया एरोस वो किसे लोकेट करते हैं? ए हाइड्रोफिलिक एंड ऑफ फॉस्फोलिपिड्स, B hydrophobic end of phospholipids, C partial hydrophilic due to presence of phosphate, D polar and hydrophilic end due to the presence of phosphate group. So answer should be the D. Answer should be D. Okay, polar hydrophilic end due to presence of phosphate. This is about your weekly test 6. See you again inshallah. Thanks.